What type of access permissions are you given to verify on vendor system for integration testing?
So I was given for our again the nature is different, vendor is different. The mostly the testing and staging, and then for the credit vendor we have the entire the credit. I mean the borrower information, test data, the validation, and then the triggering from our system to their system. If the trigger is getting updated, and if the new event is coming, if the borrower has changes, so that's the credit. For the SSN thing, it's the same way. The same borrower information is sent from our system, verified on our backend, and on their portal, verified the same way that it is actually it reached to their backend and the trigger happened. And the same for the credit score, the same approach. So the anytime I have the vendor integration, I always only at least have the access permission one layer of the vendor. I avoid to have the multi-layer vendor access because I do not have the full access permission. I do not have the database access permission. So I only always have the access permission, immediate integration with our platform for my feature.